to renew, to relax. There are a lot of things we can do. The first thing I just covered was community. Whether it's your family, just one person. Building community, repairing community, helping people to feel safe, seen, cared for, loved, every day. And don't trivialize this. Please be careful. Please be careful not to say, love you too. It's nice, but it becomes such a superficial habit that it loses its power. But if once a day you stop, you make eye contact and you say, hey, you look at each other in the eyes and you say, have I told you how important you are to me today? I don't think this gets old. Change it around a little bit. How much I adore you, how important you are, how much I love you, how I couldn't live like this without you. This doesn't get old. You have to learn to say it. Now I'm talking to the men especially. You have to learn to say it.